As some of you already knew, I've been looking for a wireless microphone for the Canon camera. I bought one a few months ago, recommended by a friend. Wanted to be free, so I bought it, and it worked really good with the GoPro, and that was that's what I wanted right then. But I was hoped that it would work with the Canon, but it didn't. So I was back in the market to find one again. Have to apologize just a little bit, for the sun is so bright right now, so I'm squinting. So I finally found one, and I'm going to try to do a little demo of it. It's made by Movo. Yeah. I finally found one. I really like it. I'm going to try to do a little demo on it. It's made by Movo. It's the same company that made the one for the GoPro. So anyway, it's the WMIC 50. We're going to give it a little shot. Not going to get too technical with it, but I really like it. I'm going to place the link for it. Well, I won't. The link will be in the influencer account, in the description, you know, like everybody else does. In the description below. If you click on that, that's where it'll be. You can find it in there and read up all about it. Right now, I'm just using the microphone right out of the camera, the built-in mic. So one of the reasons that I got this mic was, well, mostly for when I do the fireside chats. It gets a little windy up in the mountains sometimes, and it's pretty hard to hear. So I decided I'd go ahead and get that. Let's set it up right now. All right, so you should be able to tell the difference now, the big difference. I'm facing the wind, so we'll see how that works. It's got the little foam piece that goes on the top, and then I've got some those big furry ones in the camper that I'll use if I have to. It's pretty small, fits in your pocket, and they're very light, and they really are. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but it seems to work good. It's got a little belt clip on the back. You can put right on your belt. It has a volume on the transmitter and volume on the receiver. Comes with two sets of earplugs. One's got a built-in mic on it. That's so the person on camera can talk directly to a cameraman. I think that's the way it went, without going, you know, all the way through the system. I guess it would be like a private conversation that wouldn't be picked up by the camera. What else? Earphone jack on the transmitter that I can hear myself talk. I hear myself talk a lot. At least I'm not hearing too many other voices. There's just 3 other voices that I hear, and well, you know all about the Wilsons. So anyway, it has a low cut filter on it. I like it just the way it is. We'll turn that on, and that's in the low cut mode. I'm not sure why they did that. Probably to help get rid of some wind noise, maybe, or some background noise, or something. Not really sure, but we'll put it back where it was. Goes right in my pocket. I wear a lot of sweats, so it goes right in my pocket. I can't think of much else to say about it. We're going to give it some time, see how it works. The receiver unit has a hot or cold connection for your camera that you can put on there. The name of it escapes me at the moment. I can't think of it. Hot shoe. If your camera has a hot shoe connection, you can put it on there. It also has a tripod connection for it. You know, where you screw the tripod thing in, you can put it on your tripod. You don't have to put it on the camera. Right now, I've just got it set with some bungee, no, not bungee, but sticky. Sorry, goes my telephone. So anyway, interruptions. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it so far. I've been looking for a good one. You know, there's more expensive ones and there's cheaper ones. Kind of pick one sort of in the middle. We'll see how that works. I'm right in the wind too, so we'll see how that works. I can't see the screen because the sun's so bright right now, so I can't tell, you know, how much wind is picking up. Well, I can't think of anything else to say about it except I'd appreciate it if you go and check it out. It works really good for me, and like I said, it'll be, you know, the link for the Amazon is in the description. Yeah, I can't think of anything else, so I guess we'll talk to you in a little bit. See ya.